How to design and automate an invoice in Excel. Type your company name at the left-hand corner of the worksheet and align it to the left. Type invoice on the right-hand side and align it to the right. Now enter your postal address and center it. Enter the serial number, product details, quantity of products purchased, unit price, and total. Let's enter the subtotal, VAT, discounts, and grand total. It is time to format the invoice to make it visually appealing. Select Text GH, Invoice, and increase the font size to 28 points. Select the cells containing the company's name. Merge and align it to the left. Change the font to Adobe Gothic Standard B. Update the background color to dark blue and set the text color to white. Select the cells containing invoice. Change the font to Lucida Calligraphy and then merge and align it to the right. Select the subheadings. Change the background color to dark blue and the text to white. Bold the postal address and change the color to dark blue. Select invoice and change the color to dark blue. Move downwards. Select the text and change the background to dark blue and the text to white. Let's align it to the right and change the border color for each cell to white. Underline the bottom part of each adjacent cell in dark blue. Apply a dark blue tick border around the invoice cell. Let's now apply a tick border to the edge of the content cells. And again, apply all borders to the contents area. Now let's insert a corporate identity. To do this, click the Insert tab, navigate to the illustration group, and click on the picture command. Select this device. Browse to the logo, select it and click Insert to insert the logo on the worksheet. Resize and align it within the cell. Now right-click and select Insert to insert a column to the left side of the logo to allow enough negative space around the invoice. Let's format the unit price range of cells to currency. To do this, click the $sign, navigate to the accounting format and select currency. Now search for GHS. Once you find it, select it and click OK. Resize the total range of cells and select it. You can now click the $sign, navigate to more accounting formats and select currency. Now search for GHS. When you come across it, select it and click OK. Resize the entire table and center the subheadings. Let's populate the data and insert a formula to compute the results. That's it, Text GH. Don't forget to follow us for more. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. To compute the results, enter the equal sign, select the unit price, followed by the asterisk. Select the quantity and press enter to display the results. Let's center the quantity range of cells. Let's center the range of cells. Let's populate the data and insert a formula to compute the results. Now let's click and drag the little square to apply the formula to the range of cells below the total. Oops! Even though the formula has been applied to the range of cells within the total column, the traces of zeros within these cells make it look weird. To fix these anomalies, let's clear these formulas and use the if function. Enter the equal sign, followed by the if function. If the quantity is greater than 0, then the unit price. If not, display nothing and press enter to activate the if function. Let's click and drag the little square to apply the if function to the range of cells below the total. The if function has now been applied to the range of cells below. As you can see, the previous zeros displayed by the simple formula are no more visible. Let's take our time to input data into the invoice for Excel to automatically compute it based on the functions inserted. If you make any changes to the number of items bought, Excel will recalculate and display the results. Let's move downwards to the subtotal and enter the equal sign. Press Alt equal sign to sum up the subtotal for the range of cells selected. Now enter the equal sign, select the subtotal followed by the asterisk sign, 5%, and press enter to activate the VAT. Enter the equal sign, select subtotal followed by the asterisk sign, 10%, and press enter to activate the discount. Enter the equal sign, select the subtotal followed by the plus sign, the VAT minus the discount, and press enter to activate the grand total. It is now time to input the remaining data in Excel so that it can automatically calculate the results for us as and when the computation becomes necessary. Enter the serial number, French textbook, 7 copies at a unit price of 120 Ghana cedis, and Excel automatically calculates the results. Enter the serial number, spiral sketchpad, 3 copies at a unit price of 60 Ghana cedis, and Excel automatically calculates the results. Enter the serial number, scientific calculator, 2 copies at a unit price of 130 Ghana cedis, and Excel automatically calculates the results. Enter the serial number, a set of graded pencils, 5 copies at a unit price of 25 Ghana cedis, and Excel automatically calculates the results. That's it, Tech Tricks GH. Don't forget to follow us for more. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.